Hello and welcome to my Health Hacks 109 Insta Live series where for having super healthy lifestyle. In today's Insta Live session, I am going to cover a most very important organ which everyone has realized in these uncertain times, that taking care of your lungs and protecting your lungs is very important. For new people, welcome who have joined my Insta Live session. I welcome you, and I'm sure after this session you will be amazed to know that how to take care of your lungs and how to protect. You can see there is something besides me which I am going to talk, which is a very important asset I have found to protect my lungs, not only in this COVID time but before time. So lung is very important. You are there because you are breathing. When your breathing stops, everything stops. After that, heart stops, as I had told. For new people who will be seeing my video, for them I am introducing myself. I am Dr. M.K. Shivani. I am a medical professional, nutrigenomics consultant, wellness coach, helping people to have a super healthy, happy and prosperous lifestyle. So lungs, this session is particularly for people who have got little weak immunity system. They get frequent attacks of cough and cold, and nowadays we have to protect because there is an increased risk of infection in nearby area. I will not repeat again and again about that word, but definitely everybody has realized why we have to increase our immunity and we have to protect your lungs. Today I will not talk much about the immunity. You can watch my different videos where I had talked about 9 tips of immunity, but today I am going to talk about the lung care. Especially now you have to see that how you can take lung care, and if you are having weak immune system, frequent coughs and cold, and any asthma situation, or if you know any friends, this is for them. The first is that stop smoking. Stop smoking and stop your any tobacco related items like pan parag, gutka, whatever, I don't know. The second thing is that you have to exercise more intensively so that you breathe harder and harder. So increase your exercises. Maybe it's very good that you can start climbing stairs instead of taking elevator. If your house is there on the 4th floor, go to the 6th floor. Day by day, increase your climbing of the stairs. Nowadays I have started, I never used to climb more than 4 thing, but now I have increased that to I every day climb 15 floors. The third one is there, that is avoid any pollutants. Inside the house also avoid any pollutants, and outside also. Outside pollution control, which is not in your hands. Again traffic has increased, there will be pollution. Inside the house also, using of non-chemical compounds while cleaning the house is important, and have greenery at your home. Keeping green plants is very important to protect the lungs, because what we need more oxygen, and our green plants or any plants require more of the carbon dioxide. So when we breathe, we take oxygen and we release carbon dioxide, and it is the opposite. That's why when you go near greenery or any green plant, always intentionally, you will feel better, because we are releasing the carbon dioxide and we are taking more oxygen from those green plants. And as usual, your food and food habits will be very crucial in this time, and you have to avoid certain foods which will form more mucus. Healthy diet is always important, but I am going to talk about some few superfoods which will help in protection of your lung. That is, you have to drink more and more water. Then pineapple is very good, peppers, radish, garlic, turmeric, coconut oil, using of the coconut oil in doing all recipes, and ginger. These are some few superfoods. Then breathe deeply. Deep breathing exercise, very important. If you know about pranayama, you do pranayama. Even if you don't have time, but just do some deep breathing exercises. It takes just 5 minutes. Your life is more important than time now. So take deep breathing. And lastly, lot of water to be healthy, as I told. How you can control pollution? I have, unless I was very amazed when I came to know, being a nutritionist also, I was not more keen interested or not having much knowledge about nutrition pollution. But air pollution, even you are sitting inside, the inside pollution is more than outside pollution. Even if you are traveling in a car, sitting in the car is 10 times more pollution than outside. But what I realized and what I came to know, that you can control your pollution at home rather than blaming to the government. You can have air purifier which is sitting next to me, and this is the air purifier which is a high efficiency particulate efficiency HEPA filter, which has become very compulsory for the hospital and especially dentists, gym owners, because it catches all 300 pathogens. It kills and removes viruses more less than 0.0024 micron. Even we get cold, common cold, the virus is 0.024 microns, but it removes 0.0024 microns. So air purifier, what will happen is you will extend your life expectancy more than 2.5 meters. If you are staying in any polluted area, the word WHO says that your life expectancy goes down by 4.5 years. But you can search on the Google, or I will come with the latest episode. But if you are using a purifier at your home where you are keeping clean air, which is bacteria free, virus free, all pollen free, dust, danders, which is not seen from your visible eye, which is very difficult to clean, the fungus, and even if you are having pet at home, it is very difficult to remove that and clean that. So this air purifier is protection of your lungs, which will extend your lifespan by 2.5 years. So this is about me. So protect your lung and protect your life. Your life is precious, and in this time I would like to say, just speak it out. I would like to tell one more secret. If you don't show your grief outside, your lung is your lungs are getting affected. After I cover all this major organs, I am going to talk about that, how your emotions, particular emotion affects your particular organ. In this the current I would like to tell, if you are having grief, आप बहुत दुखी है, and if you are not expressing your grief to anyone and just keeping it inside, your lungs are going to get affected. Your lungs are the first organ to get affected. If you are feeling angry, just express that anger, otherwise your liver is going to get affected. If you are fearful and you are not expressing your fear, your kidneys are going to get affected. If you are stressful, if you are not going to reduce the stress, your heart and pancreas are going to get affected. So see you, stay tuned for my next episode. Till then, have a great day ahead. Whoever has joined, thank you for giving your valuable time and listening to these tips. I hope it has helped you 1% to change in your life. Just ask about air purifiers. If you have any requirement, it is a must now. If your priority is there to protect the lungs, please connect me for more information about the purifiers. Thank you, Akesh. Thank you, Maheran, and all the people who have joined. Have a great day.